Welcome everyone. Question on inorganic chemistry. What happens when boric acid is boiled with soda ash? Boric acid, soda ash, product. Choices are A. Na2B4O7, B. NaBO2, C. NaB3O5, D. NaBO3. Answer is A. Na2B4O7 means borax. The complete balance equation of this reaction is 4H3BO3 plus Na2CO3 to Na2B4O7 plus 6H2O plus CO2. Thank you for watching this video.